How to make fabulous pet remedies. With pets becoming a very popular addition to most households, there are plenty of occasions when a well-planned home remedy can be extremely effective. Trying to ensure that life with your pet is just as happy as you have always dreamed is not always simple, but if you are able to make some small adjustments to your lifestyle, you will be able to live happily with a healthy pet for a very long time. The majority of problems that can be treated with home remedies for pets are extremely easy to handle. Most will involve pests of some sort, but if caught quickly, it is not something that should overtake you. The vast majority of people are not comfortable with the little pests that tends to cling to their pets. This can range from fleas to ticks to even ear mites. Working to remove these from not only your pet but also your home is critical. If you ignore problems with various pests on your pets, it can spread to your house itself rather quickly. This makes it critical that you invest the time to avoid pest problems before they start in any way possible. The vast majority of pets will be prone to fleas at a minimum. Flea treatments themselves are not only expensive, but they are also extremely difficult to handle. They turn the pet greasy feeling as well, which is not something most families are interested in when they have young children in the house especially. Working to avoid this need for chemical flea treatments really is possible. The first home remedy that you can try simply involves using the shampoo Pert Plus. This would allow you to quickly and easily remove the fleas. This is something that is quite easy and quick to do, especially since you are able to use this anytime you are giving your pet a bath and keep them smelling great as well. There are also some serious issues with ticks that most people are just unable to accept. For majority of problems with ticks, sprinkling some borax around the house, as well as your garden, will work to help repel the little critters. This will help to substantially avoid the risk of your pets bringing ticks into the house by treating the yard. Additionally, by treating your entire house, it will help to ensure you are not allowing any ticks to continue living along with your pets. There are several ways to fight the smell that pets tend to acquire, especially after playing outside when it is damp. The first place to begin is by taking a used fabric softener sheet and rubbing this over your pet once they come back inside will help to remove the smell. Other ways to remove the smell include using some of the sprays that are available at the pet store. The fabric softener sheets are extremely reasonably priced, and because you are using a used sheet, the smell will be quite faint without being completely overbearing. These small techniques are great ways to make living with your pet much easier to do. There are plenty of problems that you may encounter with your pet, but knowing how to avoid these complications will allow everyone in your house to live together peacefully.